It's orange. Oh,
yep.
Alright, so there's a switch. Turn it off. It's orange, right? It's orange and black? Yeah. Orange and black. Either way. What are you doing? Alright, hang on. This is the ball. Tinfoil with lint in it. See, and we're just gonna stick it in the microwave. See? So, just how long can we eat it? Lint. 4 letters. So 3 minutes?
4 minutes.
4. Okay.
4 letters.
Turn it on. You can kind of go in there a little time. What's it doing?
Sounds like whatever the heck was in it is wet is popping, sizzling.
Well, it's not wet. I'm trying it off. It's really weird. It's just like barely sparking. Oh, it's on fire.
There's the fire.
Oh, okay, what's it doing? I think the lint was catching on fire. Not doing much with the tinfoil.
Is that your old microwave? You get it back?
It's on. Don't turn it off.
What?
Don't turn it off. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off. I'll peek. It's kind of just.
You put any money in there?
No. Why don't we put this in to make it kind of rotate? Spin it around. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It's on fire now. It's on fire.
Dang, suckers.
Wow. That's pretty cool. There's like blue flames. I think it's really hitting that lint. Okay, the whole thing's on fire. It's up to you, cameraman, when we should turn it off. Off. Alright, Katie, can you go hit the switch for me? Stop, don't you? Oh, stop. Alright, it's out.
Oh, it's only burnt toes, man.